Okay, so you will realize that you have two equations. Sine theta is negative half or sine theta is 1. Okay, so a lot of you are asking me, how come this sine theta equals to 1 as well as this cosine theta equals to negative 1? How come no need to find basic angle? Right, then my answer to you all is, there's no need to find basic angle because these values are the so-called the special values in your sine and cosine functions. Okay, and we can easily determine without even using basic angle. In fact, when you go and take sine inverse of 1, you will get 90. Right? Then you will get very confused. So where is my basic angle? If it's 90, then positive, right? Positive, Miss Ang tell me that it is in the first and the second quadrant. But where is your 90 degrees? Can you all see that? Your 90 degrees will be here, lor. Like that. 90 degrees. Then the second quadrant, it will be here. But because the basic angle is 90, right? It will be here. This is the 90 degrees. So you will end up with 90 degrees, what? You know what I'm trying to say? So when it comes to 90, 180, 270 and 360, when you use the basic angles on all these, it will fail. Get it? Because it will end up confusing you. So we don't use the basic angle if it's like that, if it's all these values. So in summary, if it's like, for example, cosine of 1, we also no need, right? No need basic angle. Okay, let me write it down. Let me write it down on top. So, when do we not need basic angle alpha? When? Okay, when we come to solving such equations. Sine theta equals to 0. No need. Right? Sine theta equals to 0. No need. Sine theta equals to 1. Sine theta equals to negative 1. These three all no need. Cosine theta equals to 0. Also no need. Cosine theta equals to 1. Cosine theta equals to negative 1. All no need. Okay? So why? You just have to draw the graph. Hello, focus. I'm so sleepy. Okay, so you draw the graph, you can see it already. The sine function look like that. Whoop. So sine 0, when sine is 0, here, and here. 0, 180 and 360. Yeah. Then when it is 1, when it is 1, it is here, which is 90. Right? And then when it is negative, it will be here. That means it's 270. Okay? So that's why you don't need to find basic angle because all this you already know. Okay, then similarly for cosine, you'll be able to determine the same thing. So cosine look like that. Go down, then go up. 360, 270, 180 and 90. Then this is 1, this is negative 1, right? So when it's cosine 0, it will be here and here, 90 and 270. When it is cosine 1, it will be here and here. Then when it is negative 1, it will be here. Okay? Okay, so does this clarify when to use basic angle and when it doesn't? Yeah. Okay? Alright, great. Now we can try other questions. Let's go to the tangent one. Okay, you need to copy? Copy finish already? Anyway, it's all in the video. Go and watch. I recording ma, got 3 absentees. Hello? Do you not realize your friends are absent? Go and watch the video. Okay, tangent. First step, what must we do first? Yes, factorize. 2 tangent theta and tangent theta. Then 1 and 1. Yeah, great. Okay, so do your factorization. Then do your difference of 2 squares, Jane. Then you stand up. You stand, it will help you. Okay, can? Done? Okay, then we are going to look at, after you factorize, you break it out into two trigo equations. Okay, and then isolate the function. Forgot about the theta. Okay. So you'll get to this stage, right? So on the left side, same. Actually on the right side, also same. Okay, because for tangent, there's no values, right? For tangent, the range is all the way. Remember the tangent graph look like that? Like that. Dot, 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 dot. Then like that. Then dot, 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 dot. Remember? Then, sorry, I need to draw one more cycle. Then like that. It looks like that. So, from 0 to 360, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. So, tangent theta at -1. -1 is somewhere here. Guess how many values we have? 2, right? You can see, right? 2 values, okay? So, you can still use basic angle for here. So, both can use basic angle. No need to worry. So theta equals theta. Find basic angle alpha equals to tangent inverse half. Okay, because now I got 2 alpha, so I'm going to call it alpha 1 and alpha 2. Huh? You want to call panda? Whatever lah, you want to call also can. Panda. Some people call alpha and beta. Also can, but I thought you said panda. Okay, but I just prefer to call all alpha lah. Then I just call alpha 1, alpha 2. Okay? Okay, so let's do alpha 1 first. Tangent inverse half will give us what? What's the special angle? Is this a special angle? No, right? 26.565. Okay, write it in 5 significant figures. To 5 SF. Okay, then once you found the basic angle, what's the next step? Yes, sketch your ASTC to figure out. Wait. Something is wrong. Suddenly got so many lines, come on. Okay, so sketch your ASTC. Okay, Jaren, which quadrant is this from? A and T, good. Okay, positive is a positive one, so it's A and T. So here and here. Okay, so our theta will be 26.565 as well as 180 plus 26.565. Okay, and then round off to 1 decimal place, correct. So plus 180. Don't even need to retype, your calculator, you can just put answer plus 180. Okay, so 206.6. Yes, no, 1 dp. to what 206.6 to 1 decimal place. Okay? We're not done. We still got the other side. So here got 2 answers. There also got 2 answers. But the way you do is the same, right? Okay, so here tangent inverse 1. Yes, that one is a special angle. Positive 45. Right? Remember when we find the basic angle, we drop the negative sign. Don't need to write. No need to sketch. No need to sketch. As in, ASTC Yeah. ASTC. You don't need to sketch also can You want to draw on the same diagram also can. But it's just very complicated lah. So I will draw it separate for you all, okay? So ASTC, which quadrant? Melissa, which quadrant? For tangent inverse tangent deter negative 1. Which quadrant is our deter in for this equation? Which quadrant is our angle in for that? Huh? A? Why A? No, negative 1. Huh? A and T? Oh, S and C. Yes, correct. S and C. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, so should be S and C. So second and fourth. Very good. So second quadrant will be this one. And then the fourth quadrant will be this one. Okay, so in the second quadrant, that will be 180 minus 45. And then in the last quadrant, 360 minus 45. Okay? Yeah, so you will get 135, 315. Okay, then therefore theta is 26.6, 135, 206.6, 315. Okay, please arrange in ascending order so that it's easier for my eyes. Thank you. Okay, that's the end of the syllabus for our WA. Really, I teach finish already. Okay, come. Yeah, let's look at word example 3. 2 more minutes before the bell ring. Solve the following equations for theta from 0 to 2 pi. Remember what's the very first step? Okay, so very good. This is radian mode. So immediately, your calculator take out, change to radian mode. Okay? Then, step 1. How do I isolate the trigo function? Here got both sine and cosine, so how? In front of the page 1, how? Yeah lah, how? Sine equals to cosine, how to simplify? What if I show you all this?
Wait, can't you just change and then cancel out?
Oh, what?
I get it.
Then, what happens?
Then this one is tangent.
Yes, very good. Okay, so yes, you are alright. You give me the perfect answer. Use any of the trigo functions or the formulas that you know to isolate the trigo function. So in this case, sine equals to cosine. You just have to divide the cosine over. Then sine over cosine is tangent. Then you just solve this one. As per usual, yeah. Basic angle, ASTC, blah blah blah. Okay? Okay, how about this one? Can factorize or not? Sine and cosine, you know how to... What must you do to the cosine first? So this one is 1 minus sine square theta. Then you will get a quadratic function, factorize and solve. Can? Try yourself, all these will be homework. I got so many more examples to do. How? Tomorrow only got... Thursday only got 1 period. Yeah lah, homework lor. Homework, she homework.
When is next lesson?
Thursday.
Then next lesson.
Eh? Next lesson is Thursday or Friday?
Friday lah.
Friday. Wednesday no more ah? Huh?
Today is Wednesday lah. Wait, when is?
Eh, today Wednesday ah? Ah.
So when is our remedial?
Friday after school. Do you all want to see me after school on Friday?
Thursday can.
Yeah, then.
Thursday can.
Okay. Friday I have a learning journey, the Sec 2, so I can't. Okay, so Friday, I can do it on Friday, but consultation. It will not be a